Hi and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to work on the truck, try and install some lights, do a bit of other stuff. But first I want to show you what's happening with the back of the truck, which is the important bit on this whole thing. Hi, my name is Nell. After watching a Casey Neistat video I got a tattoo. Cool, don't you think? A week later I got retrenched. I don't think the two are linked. I used my retrenchment money to buy a vehicle I wanted since I was a kid. A Unimog. I will turn this into an expedition vehicle and travel the world. Come with me on my journey, and if you become a patron, you can join me on an expedition. I don't want to travel alone. Subscribe and join me.
It's gorgeous.
I got somebody to help me design the back of the truck, and he just happens to be an engineer that has worked in the auto industry. So this is what we've got for the time being. He's making this really strong. You can run models and things to test the structural integrity and how strong it is going to be and whatever. So it might be a bit over-engineered, but I'm fine with that. All my water and electricity and batteries and all that stuff lives under the floor. So I've got a false floor here, and I've got, I think, 500 or 600 liters of water under the floor. Plus I've got my plumbing, I've got my batteries, electronic controllers and stuff that will sit inside the box. They won't be under the floor. So at this point in time we've got nothing inside yet. So that's, I think, probably the next step we're going to take, start designing the inside. And that should be fun. And so I will show that to you in future videos. Anyway, so this is my box. So these are the things I'm doing today. I have a heavy duty bus bar that I'm going to install. I have some heavy duty cable. I have a little bus bar. So here's my notes on how to wire this thing up. Okay, so one, two.
Tell me you feel the same. Can we just skip to the end? I just wanna feel again. I think we've been moving too fast. I just wanna relax. I just wanna relax.
2 live voltage coming in. 4 hot wind unit is on, 6 live voltage coming in, 8, oh, so 2, okay, so this is interesting. This has actually got 2 sections. So what I'll do, so there's the 2 for this, and what I'm also going to do at some point is I'm going to run another bus bar of this side.
I think we've been moving too fast.
Real shit, I ain't got a lot to say. It's these games that we play only make our hearts ache, and we act like we ain't asked for this pain, and we act like we were willing to change, knowing damn well that we weren't, knowing damn well that we are good.
Let's go wire it up. So that getting mounted in there, and same with the fuse and everything, and then this goes on there. So I'm gonna use a old cutting board to make like a thing where I can mount everything onto, and then this bolts onto the box. We want to mount these 2 on here. Okay, so there's my little setup. So I've decided to put the second bus bar on as well, because I'm going to bolt this on. I might as well just do this in one go. I'm done for the day. Not a bad jobby. Have a look. I've got to figure out where to put this bus bar in the engine bay. I don't know. got 4 screws, but obviously those are made for wood. This is all metal in here. Wearing the hat, not for the sun, to keep the hair out of my eyes, man. I need to go for a haircut. It's just too much of it. Goes into that one over there. There we go. Okay. That's the big job done. When I turn the key, power goes through this cable, because this is what power that one. That's what's powering my rear view cameras. So I'm just going to tap a tiny bit of power off that in order to trip my solenoid, in order to put power into my bus bar. And I'm going to use one of these things to tap that power off. That's it. That was a jobby. And so I think I've done it just in time. I think there's a huge storm coming for Sydney. So another job down. Okay, so I'm going to turn that, and then we're going to see if that solenoid works. That's the sound of a solenoid working. There we go. 24 volts. I think I just cracked this bloody bastard. I think this is going to work. And then what I'm going to do, then all I have to do is just normally wire up all my lights off that bus bar. And I'm sweet, man. This is great. I thought I needed an electrician. I could not find one. I've tried my best. I could not find an electrician. And so I'm doing it myself. It's working. That is amazing. I know nothing about electricity. It is my Achilles heel. But you know, if you just look at it carefully and figure everything out. Please subscribe, press the bell, give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.